All right, interesting situation. Have a Mercedes-Benz ML350. What I did is I cut this down the middle, this hose here. And what happened was it is leaking out of the brake line. So it's rusted, probably because it's up against that. And the funny thing is this vehicle does have very low mileage. It has 53,000 miles and it's original. But hey, it's 20 years old and that's what happens. So I'm going to see if this idea is going to work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slip it over through the cut and then put these around it. And if that's not going to work, I'm going to have to cut the brake line and then use the tube that isn't cut and then go that route. All right, I got the hose slipped over. It wasn't that bad, very easy. Now let's see if I can get the clamps around it and torque it down. I'm not saying this is going to hold and this is a permanent fix, but this is just for me to drive basically 3 miles to the repair shop and then have them cut this out and get it back on. You know what it is? I live on a lot of hills and basically my driveway's a hill, so I don't want to take a chance. I doubt this is going to fully hold, but if it gives me enough pressure to get there, maybe I got to fill up again on the way there, I'll do that rather than, crash into people. So the first time I did it, it came out a little bit. Here it is. Here's the little residue right here. Right here on this bag. Just a little bit right there, a little drip down, and I felt it in the pedal. Now what I did this time is I basically moved it over closer to that clamp there, the holder for the brake line, and now it seems to be all right. You know what? I'll test out a little bit more. But like I said, I just got to get it to the shop. That's it. It seems to be holding better on this one.